Hello guys, welcome to another beautiful session with me, and today we will be designing Easter flyer. If you are new to my channel, consider to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop awesome video. If you are interested in learning graphic design using your smartphone, kindly check the description of this video to get access to it. Without wasting time guys, let's get started. We are going to create a new document. We are going to name our document. We are going to give our document a name. So for me, I will name it Easter Flyer, Easter Flyer Design. And we are going to use inches, and weight will be 8 and height will be 10. Resolution will be 300. And we are good to go. We click on create. So it's loading up already. I'll wait for it to load up. So we are going to use a gradient background. So we go to adjustment layout and we are going to click on create gradient. We are going to click on gradient. We are going to use this, go to basic, and we are going to use this template. So we are going to change the color. For the gradient, we double tap on this. We are going to change the color. The color will be, let me copy the color code. The first color code that we are going to use is this. I'm going to paste it here. Select or paste. Then we click OK. And for the second one, we click on this. Then we are going to click on this. We are going to change the color code. Copy the color code from this place. And we are going to paste it there. Ctrl A, Ctrl V. Okay. For the location of this one will be here. I'm going to drag this one. Okay. So I'm going to click on OK. So I'm going to drag this to this side. Let's give the location of the 32. And we click on create. OK. So for the angle of this one, it will be 75. Then we click on OK. Then we are done with the background color. So what we are going to do is to go to our library to pick the image that we are going to use. Don't worry guys, I'm going to drop the resources at the description of this video. Just check the description of this video. You are going to see all these things there. I'm going to see all the resources I will use. You get access to it and you'll be able to download it. I will expand it like this. And I'm going to shift this one, move this one to the top. I click on OK, enter on your keyboard on the Mac. Now I'm going to drag it to the top. I want it to be like this. I want it to be like this. So we are good to go like this. What I will be doing next, I want to blend the second step, or the third step. I'm going to blend the image with the background. So I will duplicate the background layer, Ctrl J to duplicate, and we are going to drag it to the top. But for now, we are going to change the blend mode to soft light. I'll create a new layer. So I will press B on my keyboard. I want to blend this side in black. I want everything to blend. As you can see, the image has blended. I've blended this side, that side. So V on my keyboard. So next thing we are going to do is to blend everything totally. I will duplicate the gradient file field. I will duplicate the background color. So Ctrl J to duplicate. And at this point, I'm going to change it to normal. The blend mode will be normal. I will go back to, I will click this white button. Go press B on your keyboard. B on your keyboard. After achieving this, we are going to click on the image. Then we go to filter. Then we go to camera raw filter. We are going to enhance the image. We are going to enhance the image. Okay, we are going to, for the details, we are going to increase the sharpness to 150. Increase the sharpness to 150. We go to the basic. We go to under texture. We are going to increase it to 100. The texture, we are going to increase the texture to 100 and the clarity to 85. 85, and we are going to press enter on our is to create light at the edge. So to do that, we are going to click on new layer. We are going to create a new layer. Take this one to the top, and we are going to change the light to the first. The light color that we are going to use is this. This is the color code for the light color that we are going to use. So I will click OK. Then we press B on our keyboard, bracket on our keyboard. We are going to increase the size by pressing bracket on our keyboard. And we are going to tap this side. 1, 2. Mind you, let your flow be at 50 and the smoothing be at 30. And we do the same at the face, but also like this, just once. The blend mode will be screen, Blend mode will be screen. So we are going to create another light effect. So we change the border color, and this one let me copy the second color code to the FC08. So we paste it here and we click on OK. So we reduce the size and we click on this side once. I'm going to change the color. I'm going to change this once again. This time around it will be FFC 800. So we click on OK. I'm going to reduce the size. I'm reducing the size, pressing bracket on the bracket button on our keyboard. Reduce the size once again, and I will click on this one once. Let me reduce it. Let me reduce the size. Let me reduce the size again. So at that center, you click on OK. Light the effect. So I want light to be at the edge there. So I'm going to increase increase the size of the brush. I'm going to click on this like this. 1, 2, 3. Right. So I don't like the way the light is. Let me undo it. Let me create another new layer. Then I'm going to repeat the process. So at this point it will be at normal mode. Then it's okay. I press V on my keyboard. I'm cool with these adjustments. I've already prepared the text that I'm going to use. I'm going to send it. It will be at the resource file. I've prepared the text that I'm going to use. This is the text. Um the name of the font of the text that I use is Montserrat font. Montserrat. That's the name of the font I use. Please click on enter on your keyboard. I can raise it to the top. It can be at the top. So let us group this. We group the design and name it. Give it a name. That's it. And click OK. I click on this side. Click on the text. Close it. Click on the text. Let me use the arrow button on my keyboard to move it to the top. This one is disturbing me. I can lock it. Let me click on this one so I'll be able to move it properly. So I go to my text, see on my keyboard. See on my keyboard. I want to write a description on that side. Then I'm going to create something like this for it. I've already prepared the text I'm going to use. I'm going to paste the text there. The color code. I'm going to change the color. I will double tap on this. And the font I'm using for this one too is Serif. So I will pick a color. The color I'm going to use is white. Let me just pick this one. So it's not pure white, it's FEFCEF. That's the color code. I'm going to adjust this one. Adjust this to my size. It actually depends on what you want. And I'm fine with it like this. I press enter on my keyboard. Now I'm going to drag this one to the side. Drag this one to the side. In the next step, I'm going to drag it down. So to confirm that everything is well aligned, just press Ctrl or mark on your keyboard and just place your cursor here. So you will see whether it's aligned or not. So I'm like, it's well aligned, everything is properly aligned like this. So what you are going to do next, I'm just going to write, I'm going to go to the resource file. I'm going to drag this one here. Click enter or mark on your keyboard. So I will double tap on this one. I'm going to crop it. To crop it, you press C on your keyboard. Then I will click enter. I want to change the color. So to change the color of the layer style, then I will click on color layer. So wait for it to load, and the color will be white. Color is white. Now click OK. Want it to be white. Then I will press Ctrl S to save it, and the effect will come up on this side. Ctrl C again. Now reduce the size. Reduce this to now to the point I'm satisfied. I'm going to drag it. I'm going to edit. I'm going to drag it to this side. Let me lock this one. Let me lock this text. Lock it. Lock this one. And I will have time to do what I want to do. I will place it here. And still my keyboard, I'm going to write still my keyboard. I'm going to write at long digital concept. Then I'll press mark on that side. Use on my keyboard to move it to this side. I move near the icon. I move through this one to the last edge. Let me click on this text and move it I will check if everything is properly aligned. And just bring my cursor. Yes, everything is properly aligned. So our design is done. I hope you gain value from this video. If you are new to my channel, consider to subscribe to my channel, and also like this video, share it with your friends so that they can also benefit from it. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Don't forget, keep creating, keep engaging, and keep learning. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.
You don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned.